Hello. In this video, we're going to learn to navigate Microsoft Word and use some of the features there. So I already have my Office 365 app pulled up, but if you do not already, remember just click on the app launcher and select it from there. So you'll have a screen from here. And if you're working on a previous assignment and you worked on it today, it should be here. So this is a good place to find things you have worked on previously. But since I'm creating a new document, I'm going to click on plus and then click on documents. I mentioned in my last video that it's really hard to scan from Microsoft Word. So I'm going to click on blank document to create something new. It's going to close my previous document. So up here it says document 1. I don't want all of my files to be named document 1. So what I normally do is I create a format, like I type the name of the class and then the name of the assignment so that I can find it easily. Because if you lose this assignment, you're just going to end up redoing it, and that's going to waste your precious time. So make sure you give your assignment a name. So then you'll probably come to a screen that looks like this once you've named it. Your toolbar is up here, and you'll just have to click on this arrow to bring it down. So on this toolbar, first of all, on the home screen, this is where you can change your font. So you can change it to whatever font your teacher has requested of you. And then you can change it to the font size that you need. And then you can bold, you can italicize, you can underline. And then something that you may use a lot, especially for taking notes or for outlining a text, is this bulleted list. If you click here, then you can type, and every time you hit enter, a new bullet will pop up. Something else that you might find useful up here is the line spacing. So again, a lot of teachers prefer it to be double spaced. So if you highlight everything here and then change it to double spaced, it will give you more space between your lines, which is what most teachers prefer for their papers. And then finally, we're going to look at the Insert tab. So if you click Insert up here, you have a couple different options. You can insert a picture. You can insert shapes or a text box or a link. You can insert page numbers, and then here is an equation editor. But something that you might not be familiar with is using the table function. So when you click on this, it's going to insert a table for you, and then you can select it to auto fit. You can change the sizes, but then it's going to give you these boxes to type in, and you can type in each of these. So again, if you're taking notes, this might be useful. But those are the main features of Microsoft Word that might be the most useful. And then because we are doing this online, it should save automatically as soon as you close. So right here is what I just worked on. So that is, just to review, you're going to create a new document, make sure you change the title, and then you can use the toolbar to change your font sizes or to create lists or to insert things. That's all for this video. In our next video, we'll look at Microsoft OneDrive, where we can find a lot of the work that we've already created. Thank you.